Hello, my name is Shankar Datta. Today I am going to explain the problem and the solution of UEFA Champions League from the beginner practice session of CodeChef. The problem code is UCL. Here, the problem is UEFA Champions League is the most prestigious annual sports competition in the world. Here, the European football clubs are divided into 8 groups. Each group has 4 teams and each team has to play 2 matches with the another 3 teams in that group. One match as the home match and another match as the away match. Each match, the team with the most goal scorer will have 3 points, opponent will have 0 points. In case of tie, they both will have a 1 point. Goal difference is the score they have minus the opponent's goals. And in between any two teams, the team with more points is ranked higher. If they have the same numbers of points, then the goal difference will be calculated and the higher goal difference team will be ranked higher. Here some example. Here is 12 matches score and you can see in each match this is the home team score and this is the away team score and this is the away team name. At first I have to check is that team's name is present in that list. No, so I have to include it. Then I will give this team 3 points and the goal difference will be their score minus the opponent's score. This is 6. Again I will check is that team names will present here. No, so I have to include it and this team will have 0 points and their goal difference will be the goal they score minus opponent score. This is minus 6. Again for the second match I will check which is the winner. This is, so I have to check is that name present here. Yes, so the points will be just increased with 3 and the goal difference will be increased by their score minus opponent score and this will be 7. Then I will check this team name is present here or not. No, so I will include the team name and they will have 0 point and the goal difference will be their score minus the opponent score, so it is minus 1. In that same way this 12 matches result will be inserted here and the final table will be like this, where I can see clearly this team has the highest point, so this will be the winner, the first position team, and this is the second highest point in between these 3, so this team will be the second position team. Here another example where after these 12 matches the final tables is this, where I can see every team has a 7 points. So in that case I have to check goal difference. There this is the highest goal difference, so they will be the first position team and they will be the second position team. Now before going to the coding part I will check the input formation. In the first line I have to take T as test case, then there will be 12 lines in each test case where I will take the home team name, home team goals versus away team goals, away team names in that format, and the output will contain 2 space separate string, the name of the top ranked team and the second top ranked team. Here the range of T, the team's name and the goals is given. So now I am going to the coding part. In the class, in between the main, I create this scanner and then I take the integer t as test case and I take the value of t from the user. Then I take this sc.next line because when we have to take a string after a integer, in that case I have to write it to have my cursor into the next line. Then I create a for loop to continue these test cases. Then I create two hash table, point and goal, where they both have string as key and integer as value, where string will be the team's name, and in case of point the integer will be the point, and in case of goal the integer will be goal difference. Then I take two integer, home team name and away team, two string this is, and then I take two integer where home team score and away team score. Then I take a array string s and I create a for loop where I will take the 12 matches result. Then here I take a string temp where the temp formation will be like this: the home team's name, away home team's goal versus away team score and away team name, and I split this temp with the space. So after the splitting, this will be S0 is A, S1 is 3, S2 is versus, S3 is 0 and S4 is B, and I stored them in between the home teams and away teams name. And in case of score, as score is the integer, so I have to convert this string to the integer in the both case. Then I check if score 1 greater than score 2, so the home team will be win. Then I will check if the home team's name is not in the point table. If it is not, then I will include the team name and the point. We use put to insert a value in between a hash table. In the same way I did for the goal, I put the team name and the goal difference. Else, if this team's name is already present in between the hash table, in that case I will take up integer p where I will increase the previous point. I use get to have the value. I have the value in the previous goal and I add 3 with that point and I stored this total value in between p and I insert put in the hash table. The same way I did for the goal table, I take G and where I put the new goal difference and add it with the previous goal difference and put this value in between the goal hash table. Then I check if away team is not in between the point table. If it is not, then I do the same way as I did here. I put the team name and 0 point. I put the goal with the team name and the goal difference. And if their name is not present, is present in between the hash table, then I just increase the goal difference in that case because the point will be remain same. Then else if score 2 greater than score 1, so the away team will win, and I do here the same thing again as I did here. I check if their name is not present here, then I put the value and the point table and the goal difference. Then if present, then the same way I increase the point and goal difference. Then for the home team, I put their value if they are not existing in the table. If it, then I will increase the goal in the goal hash table. In that case, it will be decreased. Okay, else if the condition is time match, then again I did the same thing, just here this will be the point is 1 and the goal difference will be 0, and I check the same way as I did these two cases. Then I take a entry set where I will try to find which team is the highest ranked team and which team is the second highest ranked team, and to use this entry set I have to import that. Then I initialize the max as -1 and I take two string team1 and team2, and then I iterate this entry set to find the highest ranked team. And if entry dot get value will be maximum, greater than maximum, get value will be, it gives the value in the point table. Here this will work like that. Suppose this is the hash table where the team name is the key and the point is the value. So I will check is the value goal is greater than the maximum. Maximum is -1. If it is, then this value will be copied here as the get value, and with the get key this team name will be stored in the team name. Team name is A. Then again it will check for the second, third, fourth teams. If they, now the maximum value is, the max value is 3. If it will find that this is true, then it will again change and this will be in between the max and this will be in between the team 1. In that way it will continue this loop and store the team name and maximum point in between these two variables. Else if they see two teams has the maximum value, in that case they will check for the goal difference. Here they will see in that 2 points is same, so the 5 goal difference is better. So in that case they will store here the team name and the maximum value is already same, and they will store the team name in between the team 1, and already I find the highest team name, highest ranked team name. Then I remove this team's name and the point and the goal difference from this two hash table. Then I again initialize maximum as -1 and I again do the same thing as I already did to find the highest ranked team. I take this second highest ranked team in between team 2 and the value in between max. Then I system.out.println use to print these two teams name as team 1 and team 2 with a space. Then I am going to run the program. The test case is 2 and then the 12 match result will be I copy it from here and paste. Yes, the result is same, you can see. Then I copy the second test case and put it here. Yes, the answer is same. You can see that, and then you can see my solution also. This is correct. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.